How to use live captions in a Teams meeting. Teams is a communication and collaboration software that allows you to chat, call, meet, and share files with your team members. One of the features that you can use in Teams is live captions, which are real-time captions that show what is being said during a call or meeting. Live captions can help you follow along the conversation, especially if you have hearing difficulties, speak a different language, or are in a noisy environment. To use live captions in a Teams meeting, you can follow these steps. During a call or meeting, select More Actions, 3 dots, from the meeting controls. Select Turn on Live Captions. You will receive a notification showing your set language. Live captions will then be shown towards the bottom of the call screen and will only be visible to you. You can turn off live captions at any time from More Actions. Turn off live captions. Note, live captions are currently only supported for English, US, English, Canada, English, India, English, UK, English, Australia, English, New Zealand, Arabic, United Arab Emirates, Arabic, Saudi Arabia, Chinese, Simplified China, Chinese, Traditional Hong Kong SAR, Chinese, Traditional Taiwan, Czech, Czechia, Danish, Denmark, Dutch, Belgium. To get access to Teams Premium, contact your IT admin.